Here are a bunch of ways to get your first SMMA client. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to today's video, and subscribe for daily content just like this if you're a business owner or an SMA owner in 2022. Let's get right to today's video.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency, so make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
So number one, the first way that I would be local business, okay? Going to a local business, doing a free trial, something to incentivize the business owner, right? So that's what I did in the beginning. I went to local businesses like barbershops, painting companies, roofing companies, restaurants, things like that that were low-hanging fruit that weren't really taking their marketing seriously. And I would say, hey, listen, I'll run your ads for free for 14 days. Let's see what the results are. And then you can decide if you want to invest X amount of money to move forward with me. That's the easiest way to get your first client. Not only do you get to get your first client, but you're also spending the client's time to also learn. Okay, yes, you're going to go through a lot of trial and error the first month, 2 months, 3 months, but now you can prove yourself. So you can either take on the fulfillment yourself, or you can kind of pay out of pocket, outsource it, find somebody or a contractor to help you set up campaigns, kind of learn the process of what good media buying looks like. And then you can actually start generating results and then copy and paste in the same strategy once you're obviously, pattern recognition in your mind to keep doing it over and over and over and over again for other clients just like those. So that's the first way to get your first client. Second way is going to be through email marketing, right? So you can buy email lists from Fiverr.com. And with those email lists, you can then, go on a site called Lemlist, and you can send out blast emails to your local community. So you can go to Fiverr, go to a data collector or a data scrapper and say, listen, I need every single email for every single business owner in this 20-mile radius from my house. They'll grab all the emails, they'll send them to you, you go to Lemlist, and then you upload them, and you can send an email that basically, like, the subject line would be like, customer or potential customer of X business. That would be the subject line. And then you would say, hey, listen, I went to your establishment. I saw that you guys don't really have a good looking website. Here are some samples that I've made before. I'd like to make you a free website if you're open to having a marketing team help you scale your business this year. And that would be where they say, like, listen, just reply to this email, with your name, phone number, or click this link to book a call with me where I can come inside. And then we can talk further, something like that. So that'd be a cold outreach based email that actually used to work very effectively for me as well. Third method is going to be through Instagram organic or Facebook groups. So finding, clients through Instagram, searching for certain niches that you're good at, finding some e-com store that's in the beauty niche and shooting them a Loom video, like message them saying, listen, I made a quick video for you, watch it and let me know what you think. And that video is you going over their website, you going over their landing pages, their ads and their ad library that are public through the Facebook page. You going over multiple facets of the business in this video, and the name of the video is literally X Business's marketing review by X name, which is your name. And they're gonna open that Loom video, they'll watch it, you'll get a notification if they watch it too, because Loom sends you notifications. And then in the comment section, you can literally put like a calendar link so that the business owner can book a call. So in the beginning of the video, you say, hey, listen, I wanted to shoot you this quick video because I know there's some things you can improve, but if you feel this is very helpful, you want to talk further, just hit that link below in the comment section and you could book a call with me in these next couple hours or 24 hours, right? And that's going to do very well. That's your next way to get your first client. You can do that with Facebook groups and Instagram. Then the fourth way is through ads, which is the way that I run things. And I made a bunch of videos on this, on how I book, 30 plus sales calls a day with paid ads. That is going to be probably your most predictable way of really getting clients in the beginning. But if you don't have deep pockets, then the first three ways are very, very effective. So I hope this video gave you these 4 easy, quick methods that you can start getting your first client. And if it does work for you, please comment down below. And I also have a program that I just released for beginning business owners who are SMMA owners who are looking to obviously copy and paste the exact same strategies that I use to generate, $4 million plus a year in my own agency. I'm running a successful agency for the past 4 years, and I'm giving you everything that I got. Okay, this is going to be the most loaded up course. I'm doing founders pricing, which is less than $100 for the first, probably 100 people who want to get in. So click the link in the description below and you can get instant access. The videos are not going to be uploaded just yet. They're going to be uploaded over the next 30 days as we're building this out and as we see if people actually want demand for it. So if you want to lock in the pricing, it's only a one-time fee. Just go to the link in the bio. and the link in the description as well, and then you can get access as well. So thank you guys for joining today's video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video because we always push out daily content like this. So subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.